Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Another story behind the car, and it's another van, a conversion van. This is owned by Scott. He did not want to be in the video. It's a 1983 Ford Econoline, and it was originally purchased as a white van by the previous owner. Scott is the second owner, and the van was originally white. The previous owner, the original owner, had it stripped down and then it was repainted, and he said that this is a Ford truck orange color, and Scott wanted to buy it 3 years ago and the owner did not want to sell it at the time, and Scott kept after him and he just wouldn't sell. And then one day Scott was on Marketplace and found it on Marketplace, drove up and started talking to the guy that owned it. And he's, oh yeah, I remember you. You were interested in buying it. And he said, let's work out a deal. And so in the process, Scott is the new owner, the second owner of this amazing time capsule. So as we walk around and take a look at, oh, it even has the flip top sunroof. And here's the business end of the wagon. And this is my third one that I've shot, and I'm finding out that these are really becoming popular. And what's really interesting is it's popular among the young people too. And they are finding the rebirth of the conversion van. So just an amazing time capsule, and you can see the shag carpet here and into the ceiling, the paneling. And this is where it all happens back here. Just amazing. And I just have to shoot the mural again on the side. So I just shot one earlier, and the owner said, don't turn a black light on inside. So I don't know if that's the same with you, Scott. Just amazing. So Long John Silver's and then Hardee's. Just an amazing time capsule of the way things were 40 and 50 years ago. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Thanks again. Any questions, comments, leave it below. We'll catch you on the next video.